Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hello guys, this is Hatem from Slowness Tech. Today I will show you our product Slowness Inspect. In this video I will show you the main menu and give you overview about the administration page. So let's start. Once you open our demo from this URL, you will see this screen, and from this screen you cannot do anything because this is for the end user. To log into the administration part, we should add here this admin, which will ask you about the username and password. Here our admin user, we will do it here, login. Now you logged. Once you logged as admin, you will see these main menus of the solution. First one, to take you directly to create new survey. Second one is to show you the list of surveys that already created. And this is for the global settings, to edit the global settings of the application. This is to check if you have new update, and this for the store to see the available new plugins. And here to edit and modify the current themes, or to create a new theme according to your organization branding. Also, you will see here like announcement about the latest active or visited surveys, just to refresh your memory about what is already active. So, because today I will show you the main features of the front page for the administration, so let's go with this option, global settings. Here in the global settings, you will see different tabs controlling what is the global setting for any survey you are going to create. Also on the top here, you will see the full configurations available to modify. I will explain each one by one. And here for the survey, there are different choices to do with the survey, and this link about what is active surveys right now, and this is menu for the user account. Let's start with the global settings. We have first tab, which is about overviews. It is like your dashboard to show you how many users are registered in your system, and how many surveys you have, how many active survey, how many deactivated survey, and how many participant tables for surveys you have created. Currently we don't have any participant table. Our deactivated survey participant tables, which how many one we have. In the general, here if you are working for one organization, you can put your organization name here, and what is the default, and they define what is the default theme, administration themes, and what is the other options about Google Maps. If you are going to use Google Maps, what is the Google Map API key, what is the Google Analytics tracking ID, and some other information about how we will show you questions and templates for editing. Here email settings, and this part is very important because with this part you will use it to send notifications and the result to your participant in this survey. Bounce setting, it's also about if you fail any bounce action, how you will send this information to the participant. In some security settings, about if you want to survey to be reviewed only by administrator, or you can make it public to anyone can review the survey before it become active. Also here, group members can only see on group. If you want to restrict some group members to work on one kind of surveys, so you can define here, or if you want to make all surveys open for all the users to see and update, administration users I mean. If you want to allow any third party to embed your survey in their website, so if we allow this, so you can do this within iframe. Force to HTTPS, if you want to use survey to work only with HTTPS. Presentations, there's many options that you can check. It's about showing if you want to see to show to the end user if he can go to previous question or no. If you want to show him how many questions is still remaining in your survey. If you want to add gray to questions in PDF. If you many options you can check by yourself. Language, what is the supported language for the survey? You can create your survey with many language. You can put default language by English, and if you want to neglect some language, you can add it to this list. So when you create new survey, it will show you only this list of language to select from them. Any language hidden will not be shown when you create new survey. Interface, it's about how to show you an interface, and if you want to enable some APIs which you can get some result and integrate with your system to use this result in your system. About the storage here, it will show you how many number of uploaded file you may upload it in your survey. So this is for our video for today, to see the global settings about the menu or the screen of the admin user. In the next video, we will work on the global configurations and show what you can see and watch and adjust from these options. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.